So I have repaired the Panasonic RF 015. I have a video that I've recorded on that repair, and I'll post it whenever I get around to editing it, hopefully later this week. But this is 880 WCBS from New York City, coming in not badly at all on the little Panasonic. Unfortunately, I just missed the station identification a moment before, but I have a digital radio on the side for comparison. Let's see if I can get this in a little better. This is 770 WABC, also from New York. These are just about the two strongest AM clear channel stations that come in Toronto in the evening, or actually it's about midnight now. I'm very impressed with the RF 015. This is, not bad for a pocket radio. Anyway, thanks, and I'll hopefully have that repair video up soon.